feel like a man carrying that saw?
Big saw.
It's freaking, you're gonna like how smooth it is. It's like cutting with nothing. It's awesome, and it's really easy to follow line because that blade's so friggin' big on it.
Does that blade company that you were dealing with make blades that big?
No, I don't think he does. I think they could if I really needed them to. So, what I like to do is try to make what cuts I can before we gotta roll it over. It just kind of saves yourself some. So, cut to the outside of this line. Cut the line of that. And we'll do the same thing on the other end. So we'll hit both ends, then we'll flip it over, and we'll have our, at least our length cut. But,
So this is going to cut straight through.
yep.
That's the end of the timber.
Yep. That's the end of the timber. You got it. We won't cut the scarce yet because we'll use the chain mortiser for those mortises. I don't know why I've never done that. The only thing this saw does is easy to follow the line until the sawdust chute gets plugged up a little bit, and that's usually when the sawdust is good and wet. And this might be dried out enough. Might be a little easier. But have fun.
Try it. I might just do a first cut down the end.
Yeah, you want a square line?
Sure.
Earlier, now I'm just going to connect the dots down here.
What's that?
Beautiful saw. Your turn. Heavy son of a bitch. I bet you guys never thought you would see me sweeping the floor after a day's worth of work, but it's a little bit different when you got another set of hands helping you out. It makes it a lot easier to do this kind of stuff. And right now, this is the kind of thing I can do without killing myself, and it just feels good to be up and moving. you know, for pretty much 2.5 months now. On May 12th we went down, so almost 3 months really. I've just been kind of under house arrest for the most part, and just been kind of waiting, you know, for my brother-in-law, who is in the video. His name's Boomer. Kind of waiting on him to free up to be able to give me a hand, which was awesome of him to do. He lives right next door. He's the one you guys hear shooting guns in the background sometimes. But so anyway, we got a couple of the purlin plates done, ready to go up. We only have one more to do for this side. Then we got some braces to cut. We're gonna put these up, I guess. So Boomer is, and he's gonna have some help from some friends and family. Once we get those on, make sure everything fits right, we're gonna jump over to the other side. We only have 5 more purlin plates to cut. So 5, 1, 2, yeah. 5 more to cut, and then it's gonna be on the rafters and sheet metal. And that's gonna go pretty quick once we get to that point. Now, Boomer's gonna be helping me get this thing closed in the rest of the way. That and a few other family members. But, you know, went well. He did awesome today. Now, he's a good carpenter. He's a good framing carpenter. He's turning into a decent finish carpenter. He's just really getting pretty decent with stuff. You know, he's not quite 30 years old, got a young family. So it's pretty cool that he's willing to give his time up to give me a hand. You know, I mean, that's kind of how we are here. We do help each other out. So anyway, that's where we're at. So anyway, I'm trying to clean up in between, because if he's nice enough to come over here and work, I ought to be good enough to give him a clean spot to work in. So this is pretty much an update tonight, what's going on. I only have 11 or 12 days before I go back to the doctors. Once I go back to the doctors, I'm really hoping he's going to clear me for weight bearing. Because once we can do that, it's going to make a big difference. Going to make a real big difference. Well, it's nice to be able to move out here without tripping on stuff, I can tell you that. So, anyway, we're going to wrap this up, guys. I know this was already a long one, but it's been quite a while since I've been able to give you any decent progress videos or anything like that. I hope you guys have been enjoying the compilation videos we've been doing. I'm going to do a couple more of those. Obviously, we'll put a good one together when the whole project's finished. So that'll be kind of nice there. It'll be a part 4. We've got part 3 coming up. So this video will be out before that one is. All the new subscribers, welcome aboard. We're very happy to have you. Also, we started finally doing shirts and things like that. I've had viewers ask. Over the last 1.5 years if we were ever going to do that, or if we could do that, and I finally found a way to do it that is feasible for us to do. So I'll put a link to that in the description below where you can get shirts. I think they print for 3 to 5 days. So you'll have to check it out, find out for yourself. I can't remember, I know it's terrible. We also have a set for the EU, for the European Union. I've had a couple people ask about that. So Neil Hook, if you're watching, we do have, we did set up a listing for the EU. So anyway, look for more videos. Probably the remainder of the build videos are going to have myself and they're going to have my brother-in-law in it. It's kind of a nice, refreshing thing to have a second set of hands in here. I enjoy it quite a bit. It makes the day go fast. I do have to sit down quite often. Right now I'm only able to be up for a short amount of time, but it's getting better every day. So once this damn thing is to the point where I can walk on it, it's going to be game on, and I can't wait. We are getting there. My mood's improving quite a bit. Everything, it's all looking up. I know the last video when I was in the pit of despair, I was in a rank mood. I was not a happy camper that day. I probably shouldn't even wasted your time or my time making a video, but hey, it is what it is. So anyway, thanks for listening to the long rant, the long ramble. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we will see you on the next one.